Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. We're doing another haul video. One big package and a couple of small ones. I'm very curious to find out what's in this flat package. Okay, so there is a round sheet. Oh, I think they just put the brown in to keep this straight. Well, here we have Stencils. They are very similar. There's one out and there's a few in here. Okay, so let's see. There's a few over here. First one is this. I think I have this one in a square shape. And then we have just little squares. Oh, this is different. So we got some bigger, smaller squares, and then this one also tiny, different size squares. Another one. This is giving me like those metal pipe look, if it makes sense. Like it looks like it's those metal pipes that go through each other. And then the last one is this. I like them. They look pretty good. This is very small, and this will take up a lot of space. Okay, in the next package, we got cutting dies. A lot of them. I was hoping for stamps, but this is what I got. Okay, starting with the small ones, we got a bee, a butterfly, a winter village, and some flowers. And then we got a little ornament, flowers, rabbits, and this. It looks like the Christmas flowers, the holly berries, or holy berries. The red ones. You can see it right there, little dots. And we got bugs. Bugs and houses. Farmhouses, looks like it. Oh no, there's a light tower too. So we got different kinds of houses. And then we have a park. And bunnies, and you can put clothes on them. Let's see, this I would call it corner, because if you look closer here and here, you can break them apart and it will look like it's in the corner. Hearts, a bunny, cute little bunny, and the edge. We got dragonfly, feather, another one of this. Oh, actually it has birds sitting on it. Then we got this element, I'm gonna call it element, and some bee honey thing. What's the name for it? The bee honey, or bees keep the honey. Lamp, bunny, Christmas tree, and a clock. How beautiful is that? There's so much details on it. Some of these details are very, very tiny. Like there's tiny little stars over there. So I think this will have to run twice in the machine. So once this way and once the other way, to make sure that it's pressed down and every small, tiny little detail is cut out. Alright, we got champagne glasses, different size. We got a leaf wreath, a bunny working in his carrot garden, flowers, leaves and bows, fruits, birds, There's a lot of good stuff in here. Oh, I love this one. That's for the card. And then we have this tag that can be folded. Okay, and then we got two big ones. Perfect for little Polaroid pictures, kinda. You can put little animals in there, or pictures. I feel like I have this or something very, very, very similar to it. Or maybe just a little bit thinner. But these ones always good. Oh, one more. And we got a large leaf in this package. Alright, let's see. Hopefully the next package is gonna have some stamps. It looks like more dies. Okay, so we have this musical instrument that plays music. And the submarine, which I think I have in stamp. Then we got this really cool hearts. More hearts with wings this time. And this is an owl. Owl eyes and the nose. Very cute. Unicorn. Unicorn supplies. There's ears, the horn. I'm not sure where the face is. And then we have a wizard hat and a unicorn and antlers. We also have antlers on here. Flowers, plants, nuts, and a wedding dress or a dancer. It can be wedding dress or a dancer, what you prefer. Well, I think it's a dancer. I see the ballet shoes. This right here is gonna be her leg. I think arms, and they put the arms and legs together. So you can cut it out on the same color. Like let's say you don't want a color, then you use a skin colored paper, and then to make sure her legs and body is the same color, they put those together. Alright. Big package. Okay, so this package had two packages in it, and we're gonna leave this one for the next video, and I'm just gonna do this big one for today. Alright, so I see stamps and two more little packages. This dies. Alright, let's see what we have here. First up, we have Christmas sentiments. Oh, holy night, joy, seasonal greetings, and then we have beautiful flowers. And they're pretty big, so there's lots of room to color. And next one is going into the journal. There's menu, daily, weekly, monthly, habit tracker. That's exactly what I needed. Very nice. You can track your water, lunch, dinner, breakfast, menu. So good. Alright, let's see what we have in this small package. Okay, we got like tiny stuff here. We got a old TV, a book. What is this? This is very dark. It's a typewriter. I'm slightly afraid that it's too busy, there's too much crowding, and when it stamps down, it's just gonna bleed all together. So this is supposed to look like a window you can look through from the inside of a submarine or boat. Submarine. These are steampunk fish and octopus. Then we got a background, flowers, leaves, and this cool background. Alright. The last package from this big one. I think they feel kind of soft, so I think it's stamps. So first we got some bird houses. And some beads. Oh, we got a lot of good things in this package. And these are pretty big. Oh, this is gonna be perfect for journaling. And then this will go into the vintage elements, because I like to use this style for vintage junk journals. Large butterflies and America. Broadway, 42nd Street, Times Square, 5th Avenue, Central Park. So everything New York themed. Freedom and follow your dreams. We've got some safari. Old cars. I think this will also go into the vintage elements. And then this will go into the journals. They're Monday, that there are days, and there's like little tags. This happened today. And then the date over here. Puppies. Oh, look at that. That is big. It's like a finger length. A lot of details. You perk me up. Spill the beans. Cameras. Oh, upside down. See, this is something I would not put on a card, but it's perfect for a journal. More safari animals. More old cars. Definitely looking forward to test these out, because you see there's a lot of crowding and just black. There's a license plate, but I'm hoping it's gonna show very clearly. Birds. Oh, look how adorable these are. Perfect size. Definitely journal material. Woods and trees and pines. And then birds. How adorable these are. Very good quality, it looks like. Or at least most of it. This might be a little funky, but everything else looks good. So looking forward to test these out. Definitely. That was it for this video. We looked through a lot of things. Now I have to go organize these. If anyone would like to help or volunteer, feel free. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Or actually, we'll talk in the next video.